Mister ShowYaHow, Mister ShowYaHow. If you want to know, then you've got to go to Mister ShowYaHow, Mister ShowYaHow. That's me. Hi, welcome to another episode of Mister ShowYaHow. I'm Mister ShowYaHow. Okay, today I bring you something that's very important you need to know. So, a watcher named Mr. W. Tyler Moore was stuck in a room for at least 48 hours without food and water, and he wanted to know how to get out. And I'll show you how to do that. So, first thing, okay, so you do have to know how to open and close the doors to get anywhere in this life, unless you live in a house that doesn't have doors. But I'll show you how to do it, okay? And Mr. Tyler Moore, if you're still stuck in the room, I hope you can use Morse code or send some smoke signals or give someone a call on the cellular network to get help. But okay, one important thing about opening doors is you can't be too far away when you try to open it, and also it's important when you try to open indoors that you can't be too close or go too fast. And so when you want to open a door, there's different kinds, but this is a doorknob. And if you to open it, most doorknobs you can turn it either Widdershins or a diesel, like that. And then so you grasp the knob and you turn it Widdershins in this case, and you pull. And when you pull, don't go too hard, but you don't go. We'll go diesel this time. I don't go too weak. See? So grasp the knob and turn Widdershins until it won't turn anymore, and pull, and then you open the door. Thanks for watching Mister ShowYaHow, and remember to put any examples you want to know of things you want to learn in the comments, and I'll show you how to do it, because I'm Mister ShowYaHow.